sometimes it's really hard
Oh, I'm sorry.
when you just look at the chickens to understand. Feel the chicken's breast.
Am I feeling this part?
Right in here.
Okay.
Go right down here, right where my hand,
Okay.
where my hand is. Feel, do you feel any meat?
No.
From their property, 2 turkeys that had frozen to death on the property next door. And the turkeys were kept in an adjoining pen to the barn. So they were outside, they had a little shed for the turkeys to go in and out of, a little kind of windbreak. Now outside the windbreak in the snow were 2 dead turkeys. We went out there, you could visibly see the 2 dead turkeys from the neighbor's property line. And then going from there, our staff wanted to, of course, see inside. They went back in the afternoon when the family came home with the sheriff's department and local veterinarian to go onto the property. I don't know if he wants to be named, but they went out there and into the barn, and that was when they discovered the just horrific conditions. There's just dead birds everywhere. They had huddled together in some places to keep warm and just died in these massive huddles. The birds had begun to consume each other just to eat and get food. They had no choice, and they were like birds on there that were just like picked clean, just from starvation. So it was truly horrific. And like I said, the problem really is if you don't know what you're looking at, you see these birds, and they look like, when you just put this bird on the ground, that does not look like a skinny bird. So to the average untrained eye, this does not look that bad, right? It's only until you pick them up and hold them that you discover how bad the situation really is.